What's up, internet fam? Today I have for you probably what is going to be the most awesome 18 in 2018 update I'll ever have for you this year. Spoiler alert, I'm quite content with the progress that I made on this thing. So just to refresh your memory, this is what my progress looked like last update. And now, yay, this is what it looks like now. So to refresh your memory, last month my goals were to have a bigger pan on Holy Grail, which you can see we did. That's that middle shade there, I guess bottom middle shade at this point. Next was to pan Glow Baby and Buttercup, which as you can see we have pan on Glow Baby and we have pan on Buttercup. Next was to make some progress on Avocado. Well, I've been consistently using Avocado. I actually really enjoy this shade. This is probably my favorite shade out of this whole palette. I still don't think it's noticeable progress, but I know I've been using it, so I know progress is made on that shadow. So thumbs up to that. So far we're all goals for all goals. And her last, this is the update that I went a little ham on, or the goal I went a little ham on. So my goal was to hit pan on 2 to 3 more lipstick shades. Well, I hit pan on every single one. Now, I am going to say, as much as I am thoroughly impressed with this, that I'm happy that we hit pan on every single one, I am going to say this now, this was not hard. This was probably the easiest thing I have ever panned in my life, and I've only really started panning. So some people are like, it can take years to pan a blush, bronzers, foundation powders. No, it takes like a month to pan all shades in a bhcosmetics Shaaanxo lip palette. So I'm happy about the progress I made. I am not happy about the quality of these lip products. And it's so funny because I'm pretty sure I repeat this every single update. Not impressed with the lip palette. Happy that I made a lot of progress on it, and quite happy, and quite honestly, I'll be a lot happier when this palette is gone. Now, as sassy as that may sound, I don't mind the eyeshadows. I just absolutely despise this so-called lip palette. So I don't even want to talk about it anymore. I kind of just want to be like, look at the progress. Look, we used up a shade. Look, we used up all the shades, and then just be done with it. I am pretty sure it is beyond obvious at this point. I don't enjoy those lip products. Yes, it's great to be able to have a palette of so many different colors if you're kind of interested in trying different colors. There's no lasting power to them. There's honestly nothing special about them. For $8 now on sale at Ulta though, you can't really go wrong. And I feel like if you buy it for $8, you really have no right to complain about it. I still paid $20 for this whole palette, and I feel like, you know, it's not that bad of an eyeshadow palette. So far when it comes to the Remix palette, I'm excited for the fact that it's all 18 eyeshadows and no lip colors. So I haven't decided if I'm going to buy it yet or not, which is what this whole project pan is all about. I haven't yet decided that or not, but the eyeshadows are definitely a lot better than the lip products. But that is my super awesome update for you guys. And as for goals, I think I want to pan a lip shade like for good. Like I want to completely use up a lip shade, actually is what I should be saying. And I don't want it to be this shade here, which I've almost already used up. I think I want it to be one of these two colors here. That's the shade that I want to use up. But that's my goal. So completely use up one eyeshadow shade. I want to hit bigger pan on Glow Baby. I want to slow down on Holy Grail just because I know that I can pan that for sure. At this point, if that's how much I've used and it's only March, I can definitely slow down on that because it's one of those ones that I can use as a highlighting shade all year round. So let's slow down on Holy Grail, expand the pan on Glow Baby, expand the pan on Buttercup, have some noticeable pan on Avocado. That's, I know, wishful thinking. And you know what? Maybe possible pan on Terracotta. So yeah, fingers crossed for pan on Avocado and Terracotta, bigger pans on Glow Baby and Buttercup, and Sayonara to one of the lip shades. So until next time, fingers crossed we have a really good update next time too, and I will see you then. Thanks for checking in, guys. Bye.